Welcome to the Nature Adventures. Today we are looking at a big tall bird. Not sure what kind of bird it is. It's a rare breed. I call it the Longneckian. Boy, do you have a long neck on you. Give us flight. Give us flight, young bird. Fly, Bertie, fly. High into the sky. Or stand still. He told the latter of the two. I wonder what that bird's thinking. Hello, birdie. What are you thinking? Fly to me, I say. Fly to me, birdie. Or stand still. He told the latter of the two. I wonder what kind of... Is that a swan? What is that? His legs are long. That's some long way. What type of bird are you? You could take a picture of it and go and... Oh. Dang it. And he's taking flight. There he goes. He had to get away from us humans.